Welcome back to the channel. So those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll be putting more updates on GBPUSD on the channel, so you'll find the link in the comment section. So let's see what we will be expecting this week on GBPUSD. So if you have to take a look at our trend on GBPUSD right now, you can see that GBPUSD is currently on an uptrend move. You can clearly see it. It is literally pushing up, right? Now let's see it on the full trend. You can see that at first there is this impulse move. If we take a look at within this impulse move, there was an higher high and an higher low level playing out here, right? So if you have to see it, right, this is the impulse move. Then we had the corrective wave. Within this corrective wave, there is a lower low and a lower high. So this lower low, lower high, it is more visible when you go to your 4-hour time frame and down to your 1-hour time frame. It is much more visible. But on the daily time frame, we are seeing the full movement. Now, this is another new movement again. You can see a new higher high. You can see that this higher high took out this previous high. So this is an higher high, right? And here comes the corrective wave, which you can see as an higher low. This higher low did not take out this previous low, so basically we are still on an uptrend move. Right now, GBPUS is starting to push, and we will be expecting to come to tap this high level and even break above it. So basically, GBPUS is an uptrend move. So basically, this week we will be expecting a bullish move on GBPUS. So our bias on GBPUS for this week and next week and next 3 weeks, we should be expecting more movement. So we should be expecting a new higher high on GBPUSD. We should actually take out this previous high. So that is the movements we are seeing on this forward time frame. Clearly can see forward time frame is strong buy. You can see it. Here is our high and here is our low. This is our high and here is our higher low, right? This is our higher high. So you can possibly wait for an higher low, especially those of you that are a swing trader. You can wait for your higher low to play out, or a position trader, wait for your higher low to play out. Then you can now aim one more to the upside on GBPUSD for this week. So stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.